Alright guys, jostling for position with Peanut here. Quick pocket dump. We got the trusty and customised Your Jumbo Spyderco. Awesome knife, I love this. Full size, 4-inch blade. And don't you find it funny when you see some knives that are advertised 4 main? I think this is a 4 main knife, but it's a cool knife. Also I got this little case rust lock, and it's in my favourite blade shape. I prefer this to the woodpecker blade for actual use. But woodpecker blade's handy, it's got more of a point to it for intricate tip work, but I don't know, I just like this blade. So we got that. And oh yeah, we got a little AAA flashlight. Always carry a flashlight. That goes in my 5th pocket. With that, they both go in there quite nicely. Now this one, for those that are up on these, this is a stone wall effect, and this is one of 500 that were made quite a few years ago, so I suppose it's a collector's one, but I like to use them. And we got our little white bone muskrat out today because basically I just did a video on it. But 2 identical clip point blades, handy little knife, good pocket knife to carry. So that's what I'm carrying today guys. Drop in the comments below, let everybody else know what's being carried these days. It's good to know. I don't know what it's like where you live. Maybe you live in a nice area with little crime. I live in a nice area with lots of crime. So I always carry one knife as always for defense for me, because can't carry a gun in California. So this is my defense knife. This is my work knife, you know, cutting boxes and stuff like that. And like I say, I'm carrying this one because I just did a video on it, but sometimes I carry 3, mostly I carry 2, but I always carry a little flashlight. Alright, thanks for watching guys, catch you later. There's pine sap here, that's great stuff for healing wounds. Nature's way.